Alright guys, welcome back to the final video. If you guys remember the last video, we just managed our quantities in the cart. Now we just want to click on this button in here that will allow us to clear everything in here on the cart from this product. So what we're gonna do is go into our cart.js, okay? And when we click in this icon in here, this X, okay? So if you guys remember, inside of our products in cart is .map, okay? This icon is in here, this name closed circle. So I'm gonna do a on click. Okay, I'm gonna do a one click so we know that we are actually clicking on this. So I'm gonna run this function called, okay, I'm gonna call it clear products. Okay. And when I run this function clear products, I want to pass inside the product dot tag name, okay? Because I need to know which one is the product that I'm actually clicking on. So once we have this, I can go in here onto the top and I'm going to import. Actually, I can put it from here. Clear products. It was clear products that I called it, or clear products. Yeah, now I'm going to put clear product. So I know that this product is going to be cleared. So I'm going to do in here. So clear product from product quantity. I can just use the same thing. Let's just, of course, from down here, if you guys remember, this needs to be connected with our reducer. Okay, clear product, and then also needs to be in here in our, okay, as a prop, so we can use it inside. Right, now let's go inside of our product quantity, and let's go in here, export const, what was it, clear product. Okay, so this is going to be equals to an arrow function. And now I need to grab the name of the product, if you guys remember, and I'm going to return a dispatch. Actually, I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to have this is in here. So I'm going to call this one, okay, inside clear products, and I'm going to put another console.log of the product name, just to make sure that we are doing the right thing in here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in here, name. Let's see if this is working. Action is not defined, so where is this? On product quantity.js. Maybe I need to save this, maybe I didn't save. So action is not defined. Product quantity.js action. Oh, I see, because we are just copying this stuff from before. Let me just comment this dispatch for now. Okay, so I'm gonna add this gray t-shirt. Okay, now let me just open in here my console a bit. I'm just clicking here on the top to clear everything. I'm going to click now in this button, and it's going to tell me inside of the clear products, and the name is the gray t-shirt. So all good. So what do I want to do in here is I want to run a dispatch just like this. This time I need to dispatch a type, and which one is going to be the type of this action that I want to pass inside? I want to pass an action called clear product. Okay, I'm going to pass this type of clear product, and the payload is going to be the name of the product that we are clicking on. This type of this action, we need to actually import it in here, and of course going into our types and do export const clear products, and then put it like that. Okay, so let's go back to our product quantity from our actions. I'm going to pass this clear product action into my reducer with the payload of the name of the product. Okay, so let's go to our reducer. Now, don't forget to import this from the top, this action, which is clear product. So now down here, I'm going to make a copy. Okay, I'm going to do a const, not const, case. Okay, clear product. And now this is what I want to do now. I want to, first of all, grab the product selected. Okay, just like what we were doing before, product selected. Then what I actually want to do is I want to set the in cart to be false and I want to set the numbers to be 0. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go down here. I'm going to put this product selected dot numbers equals 0. And then I'm going to do the same thing in here. Dot in cart equals to false. Okay, this can be like that, and this can be like that. So basically I'm removing all of these products from the cart. Then I want to return the state. Okay. Okay, I'm going to return the state. First of all, I'm going to make a copy from the previous state. Then I want to have a cart cost, okay, because if you are removing everything from before, I want to make sure that my cart cost is going to be whatever was there from before minus, okay, minus, and now I should, before I set this up, I need to know how many products were there from before because I didn't do that. So let me see. I could go in here and before this I'm going to put let prod numbers. I'm just going to put in here numbers backup. So we know how many numbers we had there from before. So I'm going to do product selected dot numbers. Okay. And then I can actually set it to 0. But before I'm just saving these numbers that was on the basket, on the cart from before in this variable. And that should be fine. Okay. So now I want to return the state with a new cart cost is going to be whatever was on the cart from before minus the numbers of products. Okay. So I'm going to put in here the numbers product times. Okay, so I'm going to even put this in between parentheses, times the product selected dot price. Let's see how is the price up here. If I remember, the price should be fine. Okay, so this should be all good. And then obviously you want to update the products finally. Okay, the products, I think I forgot a comma in here. The products is going to be whatever was there from before, and then we're going to update this actual product that we are removing with this product selected. Okay, let's see if this is all working fine. I'm going to go into my home. I'm going to add this product and this one. Okay, let me go to the cart. I'm going to add two things in here. Look, 24. Now, if I click this button, I hope that we're going to get rid of all of these products. And then we're only going to have this black t-shirt with a 14, 14, and 14 on the basket total. Let's try it. And there it is, guys. As you can see, this is all. Let me just make sure that this is all working fine. So I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to add again. And, oh, there was something else in here that we missed. So let me just see in here. We got these. Let me just try this one more time. I'm going to add 2, 3. And if I'm going to click, I should remove this and just stay the 12, okay? And there it is. Now, looks like we just have a small problem that whenever we go back and we add something new, it says that we have these cart items, okay? So let's just solve these now. So first of all, you guys remember when we did before these decrease quantities and increase quantities? What I'm also going to do is I'm going to update these basket numbers, okay? So I'm going to do the basket numbers when I do the increase quantity. Okay, the basket numbers is going to be the basket numbers from before. So state.basket numbers, this is going to be +1. Okay. And if I decrease the quantities, I'm going to put in here, my basket numbers is going to be state basket numbers, okay, -1. You know what? Maybe I need to create a new variable, because I don't want this to go into negatives as well. So I'm going to put in here let new basket numbers, okay, is going to be equals to 0 initially. And if we already have 0 on the top, I'm going to put new basket numbers, okay, is going to be equals to the state dot basket numbers, okay. But if we already have something in there, I'm going to put the new basket numbers is going to be equals to whatever was there from before minus, this is for decreasing, yeah, minus 1. Okay, if I'm not wrong, it's just this, -1. Okay, let's just see if this is working or not. And then I got basket numbers, which is going to be the new, this one. Okay, let's try it out one more time. I'm going to add 2 of these. I have 2 on the cart. If I'm going to look, you see, it got just 1 in here. If I go back and I add this one, I got 2. That makes sense. I'm going to click in here. I got 1. Now I'm going to increase. And looks like this is working fine. Finally, if I click in here, I should remove all of the basket numbers as well on the top. So where was it? On our clear product, okay? When I click, I'm going to do an update to my basket numbers, okay? And what I want to do in here is going to be whatever was there from before, state.basket numbers minus the numbers backup. If you guys remember, we are just storing these numbers backup from before to know which one is the current quantity of these products that we are trying to get rid of. Okay, let's see if this is working one more time. I'm adding 3 of these products, 1 of these, and now if I click in here on these 3, I should just have 1 and then 1 on the top. I'm going to click, I only have 1. Okay, I'm going to add 2 of these gray hoodies. Okay, so I got 2 products and 1 in here. I'm going to increase. I got 4 products in total. 3, I got 5, and the total looks fine. And I guess that's it, guys. We finished this project. Now, there is one more thing in here, which is I actually would like to give you this as a project for you guys to try it out. I would like you guys to try that whenever you add something into the cart, you could save these on the browser. So if you refresh the page like this, look, you actually save it. And I actually did it in another one of my courses in the vanilla JavaScript shopping cart. I did this using the local storage of the browser. So I would like you guys to try it by yourself and just let me know how does it go, because this would be something really cool that I already gave you a lot for you to try it on. And if you are still struggling with it, I would suggest you to just look into my other course that I have in here, which is the vanilla JavaScript shopping cart. But it should be very, very simple. Alright guys, I hope that you really enjoy this course, and leave me a nice review, of course, if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.